The amazing secrets of space. Secrets that have kept humanity in wonder for centuries. Is there really another creature in space? If it exists, then where exactly? And if it lives somewhere in our own universe, why has it never appeared to us until today? What is hidden in other galaxies that scientists have not been able to discover to this day, despite having the most advanced technology? Is there another world like our Earth where people like us are living their lives? Does the universe have a boundary, or is it infinite? Did the entire universe really come into existence from one great explosion? And what kind of mysterious place is a black hole where even time changes? These are the questions whose answers almost every human being desires to know. But the surprising thing is that complete answers to many of these questions are still not available to science today. In today's video, we will try to get to the bottom of these mysterious secrets of the universe and learn facts that may forever change the way you think about reality. Make sure to watch the video until the end, because every next secret is more surprising, more mysterious, and more unbelievable than the last. And it is possible that at the end of this video, you may find the answer to your biggest question. Now let's move toward the most interesting and mysterious question among all these questions. Are aliens really real? If they exist, then where exactly are they? And if they exist somewhere in our universe, why have they not appeared to us until today? Could the terrifying, strange, and extremely intelligent aliens shown in Hollywood and other movies actually exist in reality? Or is all of this just the result of human imagination? Let's find out what science, astronomy, and modern research say about this. Are aliens really real? According to science, the short answer to this question is we don't know yet. But this does not mean that aliens do not exist. There are billions of galaxies in the universe, and each galaxy contains billions of stars. Modern research has revealed that around countless numbers of these stars, Earth-like planets also exist. That is why many scientists believe that life being limited only to Earth would be a very extraordinary thing. But if aliens really do exist, then why don't they appear to us? This very question is called the Fermi paradox in science. It is possible that they are millions of light years away from us. Their technology is completely different from ours. Or perhaps they are not yet advanced enough to make contact with us. To this day, NASA, SETI, and other institutions have not found any verified evidence of any intelligent alien civilization. As far as the aliens shown in movies are concerned, there is no proven connection between them and reality. If life exists somewhere, it is more likely that it would be in the form of germs or simple biological creatures. Science does not have any definitive proof of the existence of aliens to this day. But looking at the vastness of the universe, it is also difficult to say that we are truly alone. In my opinion, there must certainly be life somewhere in the universe. But perhaps it may not be like the aliens shown in movies. Reality may be far more astonishing than all our expectations. So now let's move toward our next question, and that is, what exactly is hidden in other galaxies that scientists have not been able to discover to this day? First, let's understand what a galaxy actually is, and what are those secrets connected to it that not just we, but even scientists have not been able to discover to this day. A galaxy is a very large collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, and black holes that remain bound together due to gravity. Our Earth is part of the Milky Way galaxy, which contains approximately 100 to 400 billion stars. But the real surprise begins from here. In 1933, Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky observed that the galaxies of the Coma cluster were moving so fast that they should have scattered apart, but they remained intact. That was the first time the concept of invisible matter, meaning dark matter, came forward. Then, in the 1970s, American astronomer Vera Rubin studied the rotation of different galaxies and discovered that the stars at their edges were also rotating at approximately the same speed as the stars near the center. According to existing physics, this was not possible. This is considered strong evidence for the existence of dark matter. After that, in 2006, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and other observatories observed the Bullet Cluster. In this research, for the first time, the gravitational effects of dark matter were seen in a distinct way. But even today, no one knows what dark matter is actually made of. Now let's talk about another mystery. In 2007, Australia's Parkes Radio Telescope discovered a mysterious signal for the first time, which was later named Fast Radio Burst FRB. This signal lasted for only a few milliseconds, but it contained the energy equivalent to several days of the sun's output. Then, in 2019, Canada's Seasheim telescope mission discovered hundreds of new FRBs, while in 2020, for the first time, an FRB was linked to a magnetar located in our own galaxy. Despite this, the actual cause of all FRBs is still unknown to date, and now let's come to the biggest question. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, when it begins its scientific observations in 2022, discovers ancient galaxies that had already come into existence only 300 to 500 million years after the Big Bang. Scientists were left astonished because, according to existing models, such large galaxies forming so quickly was considered nearly impossible, meaning the more we try to understand the universe, the more new questions arise. In 1933, a clue of dark matter was found. In the 1970s, more evidence of it was found. In 2007, mysterious FRBs were discovered. And in 2022, James Webb showed galaxies that challenged many of our theories. Despite this, science still does not know what dark matter is, where many FRBs come from, and how galaxies formed so rapidly in the early universe. In my opinion, the greatest discovery in the coming years will not be of some alien creature, but of the reality of dark matter and early galaxies. If these mysteries are solved, it is possible that we may come to know laws of the universe that are far beyond today's physics and now that question, for the answer to which humans sent missions millions of kilometers away from Earth, but a complete answer has still not been found. Is there a wall in space? A final edge? Or does the universe keep going forever? This question has been astonishing humanity for centuries, but modern science has carried out several major missions to understand this mystery. In 1929, American astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that distant galaxies are moving away from us. This proved for the first time that the universe is expanding. Then, in 1965, two scientists, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, discovered a mysterious radio signal which was later called the cosmic microwave background. This was the leftover light from after the Big Bang, and it proved that the universe had a beginning. After that, the WMAP mission that ran from 2001 to 2013 and the Planck mission from 2009 to 2013 created an extremely accurate map of the universe. According to the results, the diameter of the observable universe is approximately 93 billion light-years. But here is a surprising thing. Scientists say that 93 billion light-years is only the observable universe, meaning only that portion whose light has been able to reach us. What lies beyond that? Nobody knows. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, and its 2022 discoveries showed ancient galaxies that had come into existence only a few tens of millions of years after the Big Bang. This made the question even deeper. How large is the universe in reality? To this day, no scientific mission has discovered a final boundary or wall of space. All observations tell us that we can only see a limited portion of the universe, while what lies beyond that is still a mystery. In my opinion, the question of the boundary of space is perhaps for humans just like standing at the edge of the ocean and trying to find the end of the horizon. The further we go, the further the horizon moves away. Now let's move toward another astonishing question. Is our solar system the largest system in the universe? Is there another solar system like ours where life like ours is living? Or is the reality far more astonishing than this? No! Our solar system is just one of countless systems in the universe. At the center of our solar system is the Sun, which is so large that approximately 1.3 million Earths can fit inside it. But the surprising thing is that even the Sun is not among the largest stars in the universe. For example, a star named UY Scuti is considered to be approximately 1,700 times larger than the Sun, while Stephenson 218 is counted among the largest known stars, even beyond all of those. In 1995, scientists discovered the first planet orbiting a Sun-like star outside our solar system, which proved that our system is not unique. Then in 2009, NASA's Kepler mission, by discovering thousands of new planets, proved that there can be billions of solar systems in our own galaxy alone. Some stars are thousands of times brighter than the Sun. Some have their life end in millions of years, while our Sun has been shining for approximately 4.6 billion years and will continue to shine for approximately another 5 billion years. Our solar system is neither the largest nor the only one. In the universe, there are stars far larger than our Sun and systems far more astonishing than our own, whose discovery is still ongoing. When even our Sun appears as a tiny little star compared to the large stars of the universe, then imagine how truly magnificent the universe must be. Did this world really come into existence from an explosion? And does time stop in a black hole? According to scientists, the universe began approximately 13.8 billion years ago from a great event, the Big Bang. The first strong evidence of this came in 1929, when Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other, meaning the universe is continuously expanding. Then, in 1965, scientists discovered the leftover heat of the Big Bang, meaning the cosmic microwave background radiation, which further strengthened this theory. But now let's come to the black hole. In 1915, Albert Einstein presented his famous theory of relativity, according to which the greater the gravity, the slower time will pass. The gravity of a black hole is so powerful that if a person goes near it, time will pass very slowly for them compared to people outside. That is why it is said that near a black hole, time almost stops. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration released the first photograph of a black hole in history, which turned a century-old prediction into reality. According to today's science, the universe began with the Big Bang, while black holes are places where the laws of gravity and time take on an extremely strange form. Think about it. There could be a place where only a few minutes pass for you, but thousands of years go by in the universe. And now I have a question for all of you. Did you already know the answers to all of these questions? If yes, then write yes in the comments. And if you have received this information for the first time, then write no in the comments. Also tell us which information in today's video seemed the most surprising and interesting to you. Was it the secrets of other galaxies? The mysterious time of the black hole? Or the infinite vastness of the universe? For more such interesting and informative videos, subscribe to the channel right now, like the video, and make sure not to forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video with another astonishing topic. Until then, take care and bye.